Hi, good morning, all. This is SK. Let's see what we have here today. Let me take you to the daily chart very quick. Daily chart. If you guys see, we have seen a very aggressive Friday. Very aggressive last week of a close. Last day of a week. Closing very on its high. Right now, even this candle, it tells us that we can get some kind of a pullback, and but next candle should go up. This is very, very, very strong. So I am expecting sometime soon, we will be taking this 2017 and going up. It's in a bigger picture, but let's see what 4 hour chart have for us. 4 hour chart, if you see, we'll do this. 4 hour chart, we have few targets below. One is 202, 22-ish, the other one is 1994, and then there is one 1989. We can get a pullback here. We are testing this red trend line. We failed here. Right now, we can get a pullback, and we might again try this blue trend line. Again, remember, we are going a little bit round here, we haven't started being a very round here. Maybe this going to become a round circle and get a deeper pullback. Maybe we get one push up and then it become a round circle. That's a later story. As of now, I think it's going to be either 202 or 1994, which is going to play as our base, and we're gonna test this blue trend line and then go for the next leg up. So these are our important places where we can see bounce today. Right now at the open, honestly, I'm not sure that what direction we can go. We are near here, we have a target below, we have a target above, so there are chances that we open as a trading range day, and becomes very, very difficult for new traders, beginner traders. Better to wait to see that, what are the higher probabilities, where we see the bottom coming, where we see the resistance, the top coming, and then trade. Likewise, it's going to be a difficult start, and then slowly after 30 minutes or an hour, we should get better, and we should get our high or low of the day, and we can swing trade, scaling in and out, something like that. It's going to be more of a limit order day today. I do not see any aggressive buying or selling. Like you see, pre-market, it's nothing. It's like very, very dead. So there are chances that we can just have a very, very smaller trading day today. Let's see what we have in our weekly here. I'm waiting for this trend line to be tested, this green trend line, which will be tested. We have these three targets where we can see some kind of a pullback and a trading range, and we can test this green trend line and then come back and test the purple trend line again. As of now, weekly is looking very aggressive. If you see, it's looking very aggressive to me. The first pullback is going to get bought. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 bull bars. First pullback is getting bought. We can test the low of 1996. This is very low probability, not a very high probability, but the high probability is 1969 or 1994, something like that. We can test those two levels, sometime today or soon, and then go for the breakout. Definitely very bullish here. I think the stop or the trading range will start somewhere around this price range, which is 2042, and then we can see some kind of a trading range. Very difficult to predict what's going to happen here, but definitely I will be shorting the market, expecting this green trend line to play a role in there. Let's go back to 4 hour. 4 hour bullish in a bigger trend, like in a bigger picture, but definitely looking for a pullback. Definitely this trend line need to be this trend line, and 2017 bulls need to take and trade well above it for me to become bullish for next leg up, which is 2042. As of now, I think we are getting in a trading range, and we will be testing low, which is 1994, 1989, or this blue trend line, or a very smaller day where we can just trade around this area and test this blue trend line and then break out very aggressively, strongly to the upside. Weekly is very aggressive, monthly is very aggressive, daily is very aggressive. So overall, the picture is very clear that we are going to get some kind of a bull trend, like a bull breakout. But the other thing is a pullback and a bull breakout. So like trade with an open mind. It can be a difficult day today. It can be a smaller trading range day today. Limit order market. The smart people who can draw their trend lines will be making money. Try to. There is one also. There is a thing which I would like to share with you guys. Uh, Day trading, you cannot, again, it's my belief, like that's how I have learned, that's how I see at the market. And like this was the open of the day, I believe, right? Let me just do this. I mean, this was the open of the day, and then we saw this kind of a price action. Few of the traders, they will, what they will do, they do not have a right management of the chart. They will look at the chart at this, or they will look at the chart like this, they will, or they will look at the chart like, let me do it like this, like, so we need to have a right measurements of the chart to understand the chart, to understand the trend lines. Having a too big of a chart, having a too smaller of a chart can always confuse you as well. Like, so I prefer to have a chart where we can see some kind of an ending. Like, let's say it's a beginning of a day. So like I will go with this kind of a chart, where I can see the left hand side close, where I can see most of the left hand side close day, and then see the trend lines, and then can see, if you have this kind of a left hand side, you can see it's kind of making a bottom, and we will be testing this. It was very simple to see, and slowly and steadily, what happened at the end of the day, we tested this. So slowly it'll come, and slowly we will be there. Like I'm very sleepy today. I'm like this daylight saving kills me always. I need a big bucket of coffee today. I really can't open my eyes. But good luck, everybody. Let's make money. It's a time to make money, and we all can make money. We have received about over 100 emails now, so I'm very glad. I'm very honored. I'll give my 100% in the swing trading as well, which we are coming up with, and we all will be making a lot of money in that too. Thank you. Bye bye.